Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to explain how to make money with Monat. Just as a heads up, I will not be covering the different Monat ranks. There's a separate video on this channel specifically outlining how Monat ranks work. It's called Monat Ranks Explained. What are the different ranks in Monat? In which I explain the requirements of each rank and the requirements to rank up. Here we're going to talk about the 10 ways to earn money with your Monat business. Before we hop in, please show your support for this channel by clicking the subscribe button below and ding the bell to be notified of future videos. This channel is all about helping women win with Monat. It's about embracing modern relevant strategies that work to get more leads, recruit more reps, build better teams, and become top earners without pitching your friends and family. Okay, the first and most obvious way to make money with Monat is by selling Monat's products. You receive a 30% commission on any sales from retail customers and a 15% commission on any sales from VIP customers. I touch on the differences in several of the videos on this channel, but briefly I'll just say retail customers are those that buy through your website and pay retail price. VIP customers are those enrolled in Monat's VIP program. Second is personal sales bonuses. So you earn 3 to 10% of your commissionable volume for personal sales over $1,000 in a single month. Commissionable volume is simply the assigned value of each purchased product on which commissions are paid. This can feel a little abstract, so let me give you an example. If your goal is $1,000 or above in personal sales in a single month, you would need 12 VIP customers to get their flagship order of $84 or more during that calendar month. Now, the third way to make money with Monat is by acquiring VIP customers. You receive $60 for every 4 VIPs you enroll in a calendar month. Pretty straightforward. Fourth is product pack bonuses. Recruiting reps for your team, or market partners as we call them, involves the purchase of a product pack. You receive $50 to $350 for each market partner you enroll with a product pack. This amount obviously depends on which product pack the market partner starts their Monat business with. Now let's talk about Smart Start. This is a bonus program available to new market partners that I talk more about in the Monat Smart Start video on this channel. You earn $150 per block and $500 per Monat Burhood. I can never say that. During your Smart Start period, which is your enrollment month plus the next 2 calendar months. So 1 block equals 4 VIP customers and 1 market partner with a product pack. So again, you earn $150 for each block. Building 3 of these within your Smart Start period means that you've built a Monat Burhood. And again, that would result in a $500 bonus. Related to that, number 6, matching block bonuses. When you when your personally sponsored market partner earns a block bonus while in their Smart Start period, you'll receive a matching block bonus. In order to earn the bonus, the sponsor, you, must be paid as the same rank or higher than the market partner earning the block bonus. Next, Unilevel bonuses. As an active market partner, you can be paid on the sales of market partners below you down through 4 levels. The percentages you are paid and the number of levels you are paid on are based on your paid as title, regardless of the titles of the people below you. Market partners who rank advance for the first time may also be eligible for a rank advancement bonus based on the time period you, or the market partner, achieved it within. The 9th way to make money with Monat is group volume bonuses. These are bonuses paid when you have volume on your 5th level through your next managing market builder or higher. And last but not least, generation bonuses. So paid as managing market builders, MMBs, or higher may receive generation bonuses on the commissionable volume from their downline generations. For example, a Generation 1 would pay out on the first downline MMB or higher, and all the people below them down to, but not including, the next MMB or higher in the line. If you're confused by the term Managing Market Builder or MMB, go ahead and watch my video on the Monat ranks. That's it. So if you plan on using the information in this video as a blueprint for climbing the ranks of Monat yourself, you'll want to download the free phone backgrounds I put together to keep you on track. The link is in the description below. Just tell me where to send them and you'll receive a zip file containing a blank copy for each rank, listing the requirements to achieve and maintain that rank. And again, please show your support for this channel by clicking the subscribe button below and ding the bell to be notified of future videos. This channel is all about helping women win with Monat. It's about embracing modern relevant strategies that work to get more leads, recruit more reps, build better teams, and become top earners without pitching your friends and family. If you're running for a new rank this calendar month, post a whoop whoop below. Let's support each other in the comment section. See you there.